For the launch of the trailer of Tube Light, the film's director Kabir Khan, music composer Preetham, Sohail Khan and the film's co-producer Amar Butala were present along with the film's leading man Salman Khan. Unveiling the trailer, Salman said that he doesn't like watching the trailer and gave reasons for being Om Puri in it. And why? Hear him out.
Strange thing is that, whenever I see, the trailer or the song, and I see Om Puri, Om Ji in this, it just kills me. Because, I've done a lot of work with Om Ji since, years and years. And one moment he was there, and the second one he was gone. So it just, I don't actually enjoy watching the teaser or the song because I see him right there, and one morning we hear that he fell down and he was no more. This is my reaction. I don't know how you guys feel.
He also mentioned missing 3 very valuable people from the industry.
We just lost VK sir as well, he was very close to us and amazing person. He was our hero. And then अभी मैं लीवा में शूट कर रहा था तो सुबह को पता चला कि रीमा जी भी नहीं रहीं. So it's really sad that I've lost 3 very close people almost in the last कुछ 3-4 महीने में.
Sohail added that working on Tube Light was a learning process for him.
I've always been a Kabir Khan fan. Actually, I think जब मैंने अपनी पहली फिल्म डायरेक्ट की वो कबीर खान से बहुत पहले थी, लेकिन I've been following his films from New York to Tiger to Bajrangi Bhaijaan, now Tube Light. इनमें एक खासियत है क्या, he creates a world. वो एक दुनिया क्रिएट करते हैं. जब मैं उनकी फिल्में देखता था तो as a technician, in fact, I didn't think that I would have the opportunity to be on the same set as Kabir because I can't be an assistant anymore, but I got this opportunity to be as an actor. So for me, doing this film was actually a learning process where he handles the production and he does everything with a lot of ease. So for me, this film has been very special. It's been a learning process. The kind of cinema that I got to be a part of practically as an actor, as a technician, I've got a lot this Eid, inshallah, the film that is releasing, I've got a lot to learn from that film. So I'm really grateful for the team that I'm a part of this film, and I hope that this team stays together and works together.
And what was the reaction to the grand success of Bahubali to the conclusion? Well, you have to hear this.
बाहुबली के बाद, बाहुबली के पहले वाले के बाद हम आए बजरंगी, हाँ, और फिर दूसरी वाले के बाद ये ट्यूब लाइट. तो हमारे सीईओ साहब के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर है. हमको इतना फर्क पड़ता नहीं है, लेकिन इनके ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर है. No, it's a phenomenal success. Bahubali was amazing. I haven't seen the film yet. I'm going to see the film, but this doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. हर एक फिल्म की एक तकदीर होती है. अब इस फिल्म की ये तकदीर है. इस फिल्म की तकदीर देखेंगे कि कितनी बड़ी कितनी छोटी है.
No, but it's lovely. No, but it's lovely when a film comes and breaks that records. It just gives a new yardstick. It's so when it's so lovely that Bahubali has come and done something like this. Yeah.
Everyone awaits the Eid release of Tube Light, so everyone is all geared up.